Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in CapCut on PC. So CapCut is a very easy video editor. You can easily edit your videos in CapCut. There are a lot of options here. So first of all, you just have to open the CapCut application on your PC. And now if you want to use keyframes, I will show you how to do this. So first of all, you just have to import some videos like this. I just import this video in the timeline, and when you click on this video, you can see there are a lot of options in the right side here. So if I go to this video, you can see these options: video, animation, tracking, adjustment. So these are the options, and if you can see, in every option there are sub options. Like in every category there are also subcategories. So if we go for video, you can see, tap on this video and you can see in basic. If we come for basic, you can see these are all the keyframes. This diamond shape buttons, these are the keyframes. And if we go for animation and tracking, there are no keyframes. So, and if we go adjustment, you can see in adjustment there are also keyframes in it. So how do we use these keyframes in CapCut? So that's very easy. I will show you how to do this. So first of all, if I add this overlay in my video, in my timeline, and if I drag to this on my video like this, now this is the overlay. So how we can use keyframes on it? You can see this overlay all cover up my video. So I want to hide this at this point. So what I can do is go for the start of the video. Now I will tap on this keyframe opacity, and now if I drag my timeline to some kind of 3 or 4 seconds, now I just drag this opacity to the left to decrease it. And now if we go for our video, you can see in start there is overlay, and slowly this overlay's opacity is going down. So this is the keyframe works. You can see in start it's overlay, it's in full opacity, and whenever we go on half of the video, you can see our overlay is decreasing. So that is how you can use keyframes in CapCut. You can use it by on scaling, you can use it on position, and you can also use it in rotation as well. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.